Hello, my name is Zachary Lavoisier. I graduated from the University of Central Florida with my Bachelor's of Science in Photonics Science and Engineering. Notice the word science appears twice in the name. That's how you know it's awesome. I'm sure there's a lot of people that don't know what photonic science is or photonics engineering is, which is fine. I get it a lot. But my colleagues actually made a video that explains what photonics engineering is and why photonic science is the way of the future. And their video is going to be a lot better than the video you're going to see right now, let me tell you. Yeah. So, when I was at UCF, I studied holography, and not the holograms that you see on TV. No, my holograms looked more like this. And what I created were vortexes, which had orbital angular momentum. And I might make a video that explains what that is. I don't know, really, to be honest. But what I will say is that my research team is the best research team in all of CREOL. I'm not biased at all. Dr. Glavoff and Dr. Dostoevsky are phenomenal researchers, and I'm going to attach a link to their research so you can see what they did. Another amazing researcher is Dr. Swallow. Dr. Swallow does research in nonlinear optics, and he was also my sponsor for my senior design project. So I'm not biased at all. That's all I need you to understand. And he helped give us a laser that basically we use to create 2D images in glass. And me and my team are super thankful for him. And it was thanks to Dr. Swallow and my research team that I was able to get accepted into the PSRS program, which is a Photonics for Security, Reliability, and Safety. And they're a European program that allows the graduate student to travel to different campuses in Europe to basically study photonics. And that is something that's very significant because it allows you the opportunity to study under different research groups in different places in the world. So you're traveling as a graduate student, which is phenomenal because of the fact that a lot of times I spent my life in a lab in one location in Florida. So now I get to actually go outside and see things, which I know could be very expensive with living situations, food, and even just travel is expensive in general. But the PSRS program gives you the funding that helps out a lot. And what I mean by that is that they actually have a lot of scholarships that you can actually apply for and use to help you throughout the course. And so for the 2 years, like you get funding that would actually help you survive out in Europe, especially even coming from America, transitioning to Europe is a very big jump. And so they actually gave me the funding to help with my travels and everything like that. And so the first place that I'll be going is the University of Jean Monnet, which is located in Saint-Étienne, France. And I know a lot of people are going to look at me and they're going to say, Parlez-vous français? Mon nom de femme is Lavoisier, mais non. Je ne parle pas la français. J'apprends la français. And that concludes the French part of this episode. We're done here. I'm learning French, that's the point. Anyways, University of Eastern Finland. That's going to be the next semester for me. And that's going to be very interesting because I've lived in Florida my entire life. You see, I'm going to be in Finland around these months. I get cold around here. I'm literally a lizard. And I don't know if I'm going to travel around with a giant heat lamp, but I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I can talk to Newport. Maybe they'll send me a femtosecond laser. Maybe I'll build a laser cooling system to create a star. I don't know. We'll see. But after that, I get to go to, and excuse my French, Paris 12 de Val-de-Marne University, which is going to be a very cool experience because by that time, I should actually be able to pronounce French. So that's just a quick overview of where I'm going to be going, what's happening, and everything like that. I'm creating these videos to introduce this to my loved ones and my colleagues, and so they can see all this. So